Welcome to the Reset Hits instruction video. In this video I will show you the installation of the free and pro version of the Joomla Reset Hits module. After downloading the installation file from our website, go to your Joomla administration and go to Extensions, Extension Manager. Then select the file and press Upload File and Install. After a few moments you'll get a message saying the extension is installed. Notice, you need to publish this module manually. Go to Extensions, Module Manager. Select the Administrator modules. Find the Reset Hits module and open it. Select the module position icon and set status to published. Now you're ready to start using your extension. When you go back to the control panel, you'll find the module at the bottom of the quick icons. Thank you for watching this video. And don't hesitate to contact me with your questions.